Have you ever gone to the bank and didn't know what to say in English? I've just moved to the city, and over the next few days, I have to visit the bank a few times. Let me show you what really happens and what to say. Opening a bank account.
Good morning. How can I help you today?
Hi, I'd like to open a bank account.
Sure. Are you thinking about a checking account or a savings account?
I'm not sure. What's the difference?
A checking account is for daily payments, like shopping or paying bills. A savings account gives you interest, so your money grows over time.
Oh, I see. I think I want a checking account.
Great. Do you have an ID and proof of address with you?
Yes, here's my passport and a recent utility bill.
Perfect. Please fill out this form. Do you need help with any questions?
Yes, question 3 is confusing.
That asks for your occupation. Just write your job title.
Okay, got it. Done.
Excellent. Your account is now open. You will get your debit card in 5 to 7 business days.
Thank you so much. That was easier than I thought.
You're welcome. Do you want a tutorial on how to use online banking?
Yes, please.
Let me show you how to log in and check your balance.
Depositing money.
Hello. How can I help you today?
Hi, I'd like to deposit some money into my account.
Sure. Cash or check?
Cash.
How much would you like to deposit?
$500.
All right. Let me count it. Okay, that's $500. Would you like a receipt?
Yes, please.
Here's your receipt. Your new balance is $1,750.
Thank you. Can I also deposit this check next week?
Of course. Just bring it and your ID.
Great. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
You too. Withdrawing money.
How's it going today?
I'm good. Thanks for asking.
How can I help you?
I'd like to withdraw some money, please.
Sure. How much would you like to withdraw?
$300.
No problem. Which account would you like to take it from?
From my checking account, please.
All right, here's your $300.
Great. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
No, that's all. Thanks again.
Checking account balance.
Excuse me, can you tell me my account balance?
Sure. May I see your card, please?
Here it is.
Thank you. Your balance is $1,250. Do you want me to print a statement?
Yes, that would be great.
Here you go. Anything else I can help you with?
Actually, yes. Can I transfer $200 to my friend's account?
Sure. Do you have their account number?
Yes, here it is.
Done. The transfer was successful.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
Asking about fees.
Hi, I'd like to know more about the fees for this checking account.
Sure. There is a monthly fee for this account.
How much is it?
$5 per month.
Okay. Are there any fees for withdrawing money?
Withdrawals at our ATMs are free. Using other banks' ATMs may have a small fee.
I see. Can I deposit checks for free as well?
Yes, deposits are free.
Great. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Reporting a lost card.
Hi, I lost my bank card.
I'm sorry to hear that. When did you lose it?
Yesterday.
Did you use it anywhere after that?
Yes, at the grocery store.
Okay, we'll block the card immediately. Can I issue a new one for you?
Yes, please.
It will arrive in 5 to 7 business days. Meanwhile, you can use online banking.
That's helpful. Thank you.
You're welcome. Please call us if you see any unusual transactions.
I will. Thanks again. Card doesn't work.
Hi, my card doesn't work.
I'm sorry to hear that. Where did you try to use it?
At a store this morning.
Let me check your account. It seems your card is blocked. Did you request this card to be blocked?
No, I didn't.
Okay, I'll unblock it and test it here.
Thank you. Can I use it now?
Yes, it works fine now. You should be able to use it everywhere.
Perfect. Thanks for your help.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
Before you go, try this. Watch the video again. Pause after each sentence and repeat out loud. This helps your speaking. See ya!